Wants to boost your IELTS speaking and writing scores instantly? Today I'm going to share with you 10 advanced vocabulary words which examiners love. But most of the English learners don't know how to use them correctly. Today I'm going to tell you the meanings, synonyms, and real IELTS style examples of these words. So let's jump right in. Word number one is diligent. Diligent, you can use synonyms meticulous or dedicated. And it means hard work, careful, persistent in doing tasks. She is a diligent student who reviews her notes every evening. Or you can say employers appreciate diligent workers because they complete their tasks with accuracy. Word number two is hierarchy. Hierarchy. Hierarchy synonyms you can use is ranking, order, or structure. And the meaning is a system where people or groups are ranked according to their importance or authority. The company has a strict hierarchy with decisions made only at the top level. Understanding the social hierarchy helped him adapt to the new workplace. Word number three is paragon. Paragon. Paragon, you can use synonyms model or ideal. And the meaning is a perfect example of a particular quality. She is a paragon of patience and professionalism. The school wants students to become a paragon of leadership and responsibility. Next word is assimilate. Assimilate. Assimilate, you can use synonyms integrate, adjust, absorb. And the meaning of this word is to take in or absorb information, culture, ideas, to adapt. It took him some time to assimilate into the new culture. Students must assimilate large amounts of information during exam preparation. Word number five is harbinger. Harbinger. And you can use synonyms indicator, precursor. And the meaning is you can say a signal that something is going to happen that is very important. Dark clouds are often a harbinger for an upcoming storm. Technological changes can be a harbinger of a major economic shifts. Word number six is impetuous. Impetuous. And you can use synonyms rash or careless. And it means acting quickly without thinking, impulsive. Buying a car without comparing prices was an impetuous decision. Teenagers can sometimes be impetuous, especially under pressure. Word number seven is juxtapose. Juxtapose. And synonyms are compare, contrast. And it means to place two things side by side to contrast. The essay juxtaposed modern lifestyle with ancient traditions. The photographer juxtaposed light and shadow to create dramatic effect. Word number eight is obfuscate. Obfuscate. It means confuse, blur. And the meaning is to make something unclear or difficult to understand. Some writers obfuscate their ideas with overly complex language. The instructions were so poorly written that they only obfuscated the process. Word number nine is sagacious. Sagacious. And synonyms are wise, insightful, perceptive. And the meanings are wise, intelligent. Her sagacious advice helped me solve a major problem. A sagacious leader thinks long term instead of acting emotionally. And word number 10 is tenacious. Tenacious. And synonyms are strong willed, resilient, persistent. And the meanings are very determined, not giving up easily. She remained tenacious despite all the challenges she faced. In IELTS preparation, being tenacious is more important than being talented. So, my lovely students, I hope you like all these 10 advanced words and you are going to use it in IELTS exam, everyday conversation, at workplace, everywhere. I hope you like this video. Tell me in the comments which word you like most. See you in the next video.